How fast can a tornado really spin? The science, wind speeds, and survival guide. Imagine standing outside on a calm afternoon, and within minutes a spinning column of air forms in the sky, rotating faster than a Formula One car, stronger than a jet engine, and powerful enough to lift houses into the air. But how fast can a tornado really spin? Is it 100 miles per hour? 200? 300? And if you ever face one, can you survive it? Today, we're uncovering the shocking science behind tornado wind speeds and the survival guide that could save your life. What exactly is a tornado? A tornado is a violently rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground. It looks like a funnel, but inside that funnel is extreme chaos, winds rotating at unbelievable speeds. Tornadoes usually form from severe thunderstorms called supercells. These storms contain a rotating updraft known as a mesocyclone. When warm, moist air from the ground rises and meets cool, dry air above, instability forms. Add wind shear, where wind speed and direction change with height and rotation begins. If conditions are perfect, this rotating column tightens, stretches downward, and becomes a tornado. Most tornadoes last only a few minutes. Some last over an hour. But during that short time, they can unleash destruction that feels almost unreal. How fast can a tornado really spin? Now comes the big question. Tornado wind speeds are measured using the enhanced Fujita scale, EF scale, which classifies tornadoes based on the damage they cause. Here's how fast they can spin. EF0, 65, 85 to 105 to 137 km per hour. EF1, 86 to 110, 11 to 130. EF3 at a 630, 65 mph per hour. EF4, 166 to 200 mph per hour. EF5, 200 plus of 22 plus km per hour. But here's something shocking. Scientists believe the strongest tornadoes may exceed 300 mph per hour, 480 km per hour in extreme cases. That's faster than most commercial airplanes during takeoff. To put that in perspective, a Category 5 hurricane has winds of 157 miles per hour or more. A strong tornado can exceed that by almost double. Tornadoes are actually the most violent storms on Earth in terms of wind speed. Why do tornadoes spin so fast? Tornadoes spin fast because of physics, specifically the conservation of angular momentum. Think about a figure skater spinning on ice. When they pull their arms in, they spin faster. The same thing happens in a tornado. As the rotating air column narrows, the spin tightens and accelerates. The smaller the radius, the faster the rotation. Another reason is pressure difference. Inside a tornado, air pressure drops dramatically. The surrounding higher pressure air rushes inward at high speed, feeding the rotation and strengthening the storm. The result? A compact, violent vortex capable of uprooting trees, flipping vehicles, destroying buildings, lifting debris thousands of feet into the air. The fastest tornado ever recorded. One of the most powerful tornadoes in history struck Moore, Oklahoma in 1999. Mobile Doppler radar recorded wind speeds of approximately 301 miles per hour, 484 kilometers per hour. That remains one of the highest wind speeds ever measured on Earth, not just in a tornado, but in any weather event. Entire neighborhoods were flattened in minutes. This event proved something terrifying. Nature can exceed even our worst expectations. How wide and powerful can tornadoes be? It's not just about speed, size matters too. Some tornadoes are only a few yards wide, others over 2 miles wide. The 2013 El Reno tornado in Oklahoma became the widest tornado ever recorded at approximately 2.6 miles wide. Imagine a rotating wall of wind larger than many cities. And inside that massive system, multiple smaller vortices spinning within the main tornado, each one capable of extreme destruction. Can humans survive an EF5 tornado? This is where things get serious. Direct exposure to EF4 or EF5 winds is usually fatal if you're unprotected. Debris becomes deadly projectiles. Even small objects can travel at over 100 miles per hour. However, survival is possible. People survive tornadoes every year because of preparation. The key factors are shelter location, structural protection, early warning response, quick decision-making, tornado survival guide, what you must do. If you are indoors, go to a basement immediately. If no basement, move to a small interior room on the lowest floor. Stay away from windows. Cover your head and neck. Use a mattress, heavy blankets, or helmet for protection. If you are in a mobile home, leave immediately and find a sturdy building. If you are outside, do not try to outrun a tornado on foot. Seek shelter immediately. If no shelter is available, lie flat in a low ditch and protect your head. If you are driving, do not park under bridges. If traffic prevents escape, abandon the vehicle and find low ground. Preparation saves lives. Warning signs of a tornado. Before a tornado strikes, you may notice a dark, greenish sky, large hail, a loud roaring sound like a freight train, rotating cloud base, sudden calm after a severe storm. Modern weather systems provide alerts. Always pay attention to warnings. A tornado watch means conditions are favorable. A tornado warning means one has been spotted or detected on radar. Never ignore a warning. Why understanding tornado speed matters. Understanding tornado wind speeds is not about fear. It's about awareness. When we understand how powerful nature can be, we respect it. And when we respect it, we prepare. Tornadoes remind us that despite technology, satellites, and radar, we still live on a dynamic planet shaped by powerful forces. But knowledge gives us power. Science gives us warning. Preparation gives us survival thought. So how fast can a tornado really spin? Faster than 300 miles per hour. Faster than hurricanes. Faster than most vehicles on Earth. They are among the most violent natural forces on our planet. But here's the most important truth. While we cannot stop a tornado, we can understand it. And when we understand it, we can survive it. Nature is powerful, but human awareness is stronger. Stay informed, stay prepared, stay safe. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel for more interesting information videos.